Alright, welcome back to another video. Well, I'm welcoming myself back to another video.
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
We got a new kit that we're about to install on the Jeep. And guess what it is? Guess what it is? We have for you a suicide door hinge kit. What we're gonna do is suicide our rear doors. Yeah, so I have my brother-in-law over here welding up the thing. I don't know how to weld, so I got a professional here to come and do some work. You know what I mean? So he's the one doing the welding. Yeah, so I'll cut you back on when we finish up the welds. Opens is going to sit like right here. That's what it is. So this is going to be on the edge of the door, and then that's how far the door is going to sit away from the body itself. So that'll be on so when that goes in, it sits flush like right here. No, it gonna sit like that because remember the alignment along with the door. Just gotta make sure that pocket sit in. So what we could do.
See how much we got for inside?
Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna take this out. We're gonna do this one first on the top. So we're just gonna move this all the way for now. Put on the door. You know what I mean? Okay. Okay, it's a few days later from the last shot. Here's the progress that we got. It's fully welded in now. Next step will be for me to go ahead and clean up the welds, get them cleaned up, grind it down. And it was raining a little earlier, so yeah, it's gonna work in the weather. So let's get started. I want to appreciate all the new subscribers that subscribed to me while I've been away. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell down below, and stay tuned with all the next videos that's going to be coming up. I'll check y'all guys on the next video. Peace.